All right, so I'm going to show you how to multiply these two decimals, 4.2 or 4 and 2/10 times 8.1 or 8 and 1/10. All right, and remember, what you basically need to do is pretend those decimals aren't there for a while and multiply these as just what would look like whole numbers. Since both of these numbers have the same amount of digits, right? 2 digits over here and 2 digits over here. It doesn't really matter which one I put on top as far as lining it up. I'm going to put 42 up here times 81. So again, it's like we're kind of just ignoring those decimals for now. All right, now you just multiply this using the standard algorithm will be the most efficient way, especially as you have more digits in your decimals. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. I like multiplying by 1, no carrying. Don't forget your placeholder there every time you go down a line. And then you do 8 times 2 and 8 times 4. Well, 8 times 2 is 16, so 6 there, carry the 1. And then you do 8 times 4 plus 1. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 1 is 33. When I add these up, I get 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 there, carry the 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 3 plus nothing is 3. So right now it looks like our answer is 3,402. But remember, you have to think about where we're going to need that decimal. And the way you figure that out is you go back to the original expression and you count how many digits came to the right of or came after the decimal. So there's 1 here and 2 there. So 2 total, which means you're going to move that decimal over 2 places. Now, you might be asking, well, there is no decimal, but really remember there's a decimal at the end of every whole number. Okay, so remember I'm going to move that over 2 spaces, 2 places, and it's going to end up in between the 4 and the 0. So your answer is 34 and 2/100.